I love a good cookout on the grill, but I hate cleaning the grill. Grillbot automatic grill cleaning robot has solved that problem. This thing is remarkable. Talk about barbecue grill cleaning made easy. It's easy to use and works on a hot or cold grill. Simply place the Grillbot on the grill, press the button, and you're done. No more scrubbing, no more grill dirty work. Check this thing out. It has replaceable wire brushes that pop right off and can go in the dishwasher. The Grillbot is rechargeable, which is good because it has 3 high-power electric motors. On top of it being a powerhouse, it is a smart powerhouse. The Grillbot is driven by a sophisticated CPU chip that controls the movement, speed, and direction of the brushes. And as if that's not enough of being an overachieving robot, there's an LCD alarm with a timer. So it basically talks to you and tells you when it's done. If you're looking for that perfect gift for someone who always seems to have everything, the Grillbot automatic grill cleaning robot is the perfect solution.